welcome back. Welcome back. We're not gonna let that happen again, okay? Listen, sis, I am back. Let me tell you what I've been going through with my life. So for one, your girl is in medical school. I'm not sure if all of you guys know that. And I am prepping for an exam that I'm taking, supposedly, okay? Because right now, I'm taking it 3 weeks later than I was supposed to take it because of the coronavirus, okay? So COVID-19 had different plans for your girl in 2020. So like maybe 3 weeks ago, I left a deep conditioner in my hair for like 2 days. And now your girl has hydro fatigue. Yes, I do. Basically, what hydro fatigue is when your hair cuticle is damaged due to excessive moisture entering and exiting the hair cuticle. When your hair is wet, the cuticle swells with moisture. As it dries, it contracts. So sis, I have hydro fatigue. So today, I feel like what I need to do, trying to do, is restore the balance between moisture and protein. So, yeah, just because, you know, I'm on quarantine, it don't mean, you know, she gotta be on quarantine, because the hair right now, sis, has been in this bonnet, it's been in this wrap. Y'all, I kid you not, 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks, bro. I just like have not been for it. I have not been here for it. So today, we gonna rescue her. So we're gonna go wet this up and I'll be right back, okay? I got my mask here, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit to my bowl. So, okay, we're gonna stop there. I think that's a good amount. So this is about how much I have in here. And I would say that's probably like 1/4 of a cup. I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Ooh, girl. Ooh, child. Okay. Can y'all see that? All right. And it says stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. So we're just gonna stir. Ooh, girl, you hear that sizzle? It's activating the product. The clay is so basic. Adding the apple cider vinegar, it's gonna go ahead and balance that basicity of it. And this is what I'm working with. I mean, I feel like this is a pretty good consistency. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more because I can look at this and tell that it ain't gonna be enough. The stirring up actually causes the molecules to move around, and that's what activates your product. So make sure that you don't skip out on stirring it up, girl. One thing about it is just that, like, as a natural, you know, girl, when your hair just ain't doing right, and you know some gotta go, like some gotta give, sis. You know, you can just tell, like, just the way your hair feels, if it's not working the same way with products that usually work for you. That's how you know, girl, something ain't right. You gotta change it up. I waited so late to cut my ends because I knew I needed to cut them like maybe 2.5 months ago, and I just like never got around to it because I just didn't have the time or patience. And so super, like, very soupy. I don't know, what is it? Well, to a smooth paste. Did this look like a paste, y'all? I wish y'all was here. Y'all could tell me yes or no. I don't know, girl. I guess. We gonna add just a girl, like, there we go. And we gonna see what happened. All right. Oh, I think that's what it needed, girl. I think that's what it needed. We got a paste, child. Let's go ahead and apply the product. So I'm gonna start out with just a little because I'm not sure. Should I like scoop it? Should I do like that, or should I just use my hand? I'm just gonna use my hands. Okay. So I'm gonna start at the end. Y'all, it's already getting messy. So I'm gonna start at the end and just work my way up. messy, sis. So definitely will say like there is gonna be no detangling being done with this product because it is just not that product. It is just not it. So we're just gonna go make sure each strand is coated with the product. So make sure you're coating every strand with the product because you want all of that goodness for each and every strand of this mixture. So I'm gonna go in even smaller sections as I move up my hair because I'm realizing that it's hard to do it in sections the size that I'm doing them in. I'll be back once I'm done, y'all. You guys, so that is all of the clay. I have a little bit left over, but this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. When I started on this side, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the consistency I had was not good. Like I had to end up mixing more because I ran out. But when I remixed it the second time on this side, I automatically could tell the difference. Like I was like, oh, something went wrong on this side. I didn't know what it was, but I definitely could tell something was not right, sis, okay? But this is what it looks like. So we're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. So I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of what my hair looks like. Okay. So you guys can see what it's looking like. One thing I want to mention is that I did not shampoo my hair, guys. So I started out on like dirty hair from the week. So like this with the apple cider vinegar is going to do all that cleansing. So you don't want to worry about shampooing because you don't want anything that's going to strip your hair even further, because this is sort of like a little bit of stripping going on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, and then after this I'm going to deep condition, and once I rinse all of it out, I'm going to come back. All right, sis, see you in a little bit. Hey y'all, so I went ahead and washed the mask out, and this is what my curls are looking like. So let me know what you guys think, because I feel like my curl pattern always comes out like, it comes out to be like kind of popping like once after I wash it and like really like clean my scalp. So I feel like it looks like this all the time. So I don't feel like there's like a look difference, but I will say my scalp feels amazing. Like it feels so good. And I feel like it might be the apple cider vinegar, because whenever I wash my hair with apple cider vinegar, it gets my scalp super clean. So I don't know if it's that or if it's the product. I'm gonna try it without the apple cider vinegar, because they said you could try it with water. So maybe I'll do that, and then I'll kind of see, you know, if I feel like my scalp feels the same way, and then that might help me determine if it's the clay mask or if it was the apple cider vinegar. And I'm leaning towards apple cider vinegar, y'all. But I think that the mask was really good. Like I really liked it. Like I don't know, maybe because I just felt bougie because I had like the mask on, you know, girl. It did what it needed to do. My strands feel better. Like, you know, and your hair just feel like nasty. That's how my hair felt. It just felt like it just someone right. And I feel like that mask maybe, oh y'all, I still got some in. Lord have mercy. Well, I am getting ready to go back and deep condition, so I will get that off. But I feel like my strands feel good. Going with my Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners, and I feel like it's gonna get my hair nice and moisturized. So I'm gonna go in with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I think it turned out pretty good. My hair feels soft, you know, I don't know. This is gonna be a good sort of segue into what I'm trying to do with my hair for the rest of the year. Ashy, that mask, y'all, look how white, y'all. Don't do it. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. If you've tried this, let me know, girl. Let's talk about it. Let's see if we can compare. Let me know if you have any tips and tricks for putting this mask on. If you think anything that I did could be done better, let me know, girl. Give me some tips. Let me know if you did it, girl, and let me know how it turned out. If you haven't done it, why? Maybe you've never heard of it. I don't know. If you haven't done it yet, let me know. And if you've done it, let me know why you did it. I don't know, that really makes sense. So I have some new content coming for you guys this year. So we're gonna grow our hair all 2020, guys. This is our year, long, thick, and healthy. So come along with me on this journey this year, you guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Love you, bye.